How to remove a booking on booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for booking.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and further tap on the bookings and trips option. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will see all the bookings that you have made. Tap on the three dots beside the booking you want to remove and you will further see the option for remove booking. Tap on that and in the pop-up that appears, tap on remove again, and with this, your booking will be removed. So, this is how you can remove a booking on booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.